Hello and welcome to another one of our videos. Today we're going to do a real quick review on the Roughneck 265mm or 10.5 inch heavy duty caulking gun. I bought this from Amazon. It's supposed to be sort of heavy duty compared to the cheap
right,
one.
So we're going to comparison. This is normally cheap, $2.99 thing. Got some joining sealant.
That's a good start. Alright, anyway.
The trouble with these is you don't get a lot of pressure behind them really, and you're always constantly squeezing, which is annoying.
So we're fitting some aqua board here. Well, aqua panel, because we're putting a bathroom in, so
this part
you have to put this ceiling in.
So grit fill is notoriously thick substance. Now I'm hoping it says it fits grit fill tube. I think the grit fill tubes are bigger than the normal ones.
So what about the gun? So
it looks quite heavy duty. Slides back as normal. Will it take a grit fill? So it does. Yeah, that's good. Right.
what about the handling? So
Nice and smooth action. Seems alright. Push it in. Get some pressure behind it. So I'm going to put some behind this board. We're putting aqua board up, and just so people know, we are putting mechanical fixings on as well. This is just to hold it in position for a bit. So let's see what the flow's like around here when we do it, because this is normally a nightmare. Alright, look at that. Now take it from me, this is a good gun, because it's making life so much easier. And if you're doing this all day, yeah, nice and easy that. Apparently wavy lines make things stick better. Right, I should do on that, but I would say, nice big block in the middle. I would give that, always release your trigger at the end, otherwise you've got stuff everywhere. I've got to give that 10 out of 10 again, because it's well made, easy to handle, nice and bright so you can see it.
I'll tell you what else it has. It has this feature here, allows you to cut the ends off.
Yeah, so I haven't got everything with me, but you can see there's a blade, and normally you just stick the end through and go choppy.
So you chops it, so that's quite a good feature.
Yeah, in fact let's do one, because we're going to need another one in there. So there's another grit fill. So don't search around for a knife, just put your nozzle in there. Yeah, you can angle it as well if you want a bit of an angle.
There we go.
That's alright.
Well, you do it without one in there, but it doesn't matter, does it?
Right, so that works. So yeah, 10 out of 10. Remember how much this was?
It was like 20 quid.
20
something
quid.
like that. Maybe a little bit more or less.
Well spent. I'll tell you why. Because eventually these things here, they just bust. And if you a lot of heavy use, it's not going to last. It's alright for probably caulking and stuff, but when you get like quite a dense mixture like this, you need something like this. Yeah. It's just a matter of keeping it clean now. Right, anyway, if anybody's thinking of buying a Roughneck mastic sealant gun, yeah, I'd recommend this one. Even though it's a little bit pricier, it lasts you a lot longer. You probably never need one in your lifetime instead of about 20. Okay,